Everybody, here is a very nice algebraic expression we want to solve and find the value of x here. Our question is x raised to power 4 is equal to 64. We want to find the value of x. In order to deal directly, it will be difficult. For example, if we will take square root on both sides, it will not help you. For example, taking x raised to power 4 is equal to 60 power 4 power 4. In order to solve it, it will not help directly and it will not simplify our problem. And in other way, if we want to solve, if we will take directly log of x raised to power 4 is equal to log of 64, it will also not help directly. So we have to use certain techniques in order to solve the problem. We will take it in different form. We will make it convenient to use our formulas. What now we have to do? First of all, in order to solve the problem, what we have to do, we simply take the equation x raised to power 4 is equal to 64. Taking power 4 on both sides. What we have to do? x raised to power 4 and whole power 4 is equal to 64 raised to power 4. Now we have very interesting formula. We know that a raised to power m whole raised to power n can be written as a raised to power m into n, and it can again be written as a raised to power n whole raised to power n. So we can interchange these two powers. We can easily interchange these two powers. In order to change in above expression, what we have to do? We have x raised to power, we have what we have to do. We simply have x raised to power 4 whole power x raised to power 4 is equal to 64 raised to power 4. In order to solve the problem, now we have a very beautiful form of this one. We have a base and the same power. Actually, what is this? This is actually x raised to power 4 whole power x raised to power 4. So if on right hand side, if we will get such same expression, then it will be useful for us and we can easily solve the problem. Okay, now let's simplify the right hand side. What we have to do actually, now simply what we have, x raised to power 4 whole power x raised to power 4 is equal to 64 raised to power 4. Okay, on the right hand side we can easily write it as 8 raised to power 2 and whole power 4, and on the left hand side simply x raised to power 4 whole power x raised to power 4. Okay, now we again use the formula that a raised to power m and whole raised to power n is simply a raised to power m into n. By using this formula on the right hand side, I simply have x raised to power 4 whole raised to power x raised to power 4 is equal to 8 raised to power 2 into 4, and it is equal to 8 raised to power 8. Now we have very simple form that x raised to power 4 into x raised to power 4 is equal to 8 raised. From this expression we simply have x raised to power 4 is equal to 8. Now we have very easy form and we can easily solve the problem and we can easily find the value of x. Simply 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3. Taking log on both sides, simply log on both sides, what we have, log x raised to power 4 is equal to log 2 raised to power 3. Now again simplify log x raised to power 4 is equal to log 2 raised to power 3. So it can, by the property of log, it can be written as 4 log x is equal to 3 log 2. By more simplifying, simply by dividing 4 on both sides, I have log x is equal to 3 log 2 over 4. And simply how we can find x as is simply antilog of 3 log 2 over 4. This is the value of x we have find as. Thank you very much for watching the video.